I'm Alice, and welcome to Korean Ladder, the radio lesson where tiny sounds change real Korean.
안녕하세요. 하나입니다. 오늘은 칼, 칼, 깔 소리를 짧고 정확하게 잡아볼게요.
안녕하세요, 준호입니다. 첫 소리를 구별하면 처음 듣는 한국어도 더 또렷하게 들립니다.
Here is my beginner problem. I hear golkol and gal, and they sound almost the same. Is the vowel changing?
좋은 질문이에요. The vowel A is the same. The difference is the first consonant. 기역, 긴, and 쌍기역.
Today, we train only the start of the word. Before, longer vocabulary. 갈, 칼, 깔.
The pattern is simple. 기역 is plain. 키은 has a strong puff of air. And 쌍기역 is tight with almost no puff.
So I should not turn all three into one hard English K?
맞아요. English K is not enough. Korean separates plain, aspirated, and tense more clearly.
Listen to the plain sound first. 칼, 칼. The start is light, not breathy, not squeezed.
갈. In English, this can sound between G and K, but do not force an English G. Keep it light.
Now the aspirated sound. 카, 카. You should feel a clear puff of air at the start.
칼. If you put your hand near your mouth, you can feel more air than 갈.
Now the tense sound. Tighten the start, like the sound is held for a split second, with almost no air.
The throat and mouth feel firmer. The start. Not louder, just tighter.
Now hear them in a row. 칼, 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 깔, 깔.
Again, a little slower. 갈, 칼, 깔.
I think I hear it. Gal is light, kol has the puff, and gal is tight.
맞아요. For today, keep 3 English labels in your head. Light, puffed, tight.
Important point, do not add an extra vowel after the consonant. 갈 is one syllable. 갈.
So not 2 beats, just gal, one clean syllable.
좋아요. Also, the final 리을 in 갈, 칼, 칼 stays the same. Today, the moving part is only the first consonant.
Let's unpack the mouth feeling. For 기역, start relaxed. 갈.
For kin, release air clearly. 칼,
For 쌍기역, hold the start tight and release it cleanly. 캔.
Let me reason it out. If I hear a big puff, I should probably choose kol, not gal, or gals.
맞아요. 칼 has the big puff. 칼 is lighter and 깔 is tighter.
Now listen in a tiny Korean exchange. The card has real lines and the speakers alternate.
칼 있어요?
네, 칼 있어요.
돗자리 깔게요.
좋아요. 같이 해요.
I heard kal twice with air and then 갈게요 with that tighter start.
칼 있어요?
네, 칼 있어요.
돗자리 깔게요.
좋아요. 같이 해요.
정확해요. 깔게요 begins with 쌍기역, so the start is tight, not breathy.
Now repeat after me. First, 갈.
Gal.
좋아요. Little air, relaxed start. 갈,
Second, 캉. Let the air out clearly.
Kal.
좋아요. That one needs the puff. 칼, 칼.
Third, calm. Tight start. Almost no air.
gal,
완벽해요. Not louder, just tighter. 깐! 깐.
Here is the mistake I want to avoid. If I say col with no puff, it may drift toward gal, right?
Right. For kal, the missing puff is the problem. Add air at the start, ka.
And for call, English speakers often add too much air. Keep it tight instead. call.
So my test is air versus tension. Col has air. Gal has tension.
Quick check. You want to say knife in Korean? Which one has the right first sound?
I'm choosing B. Col, because knife needs that puffed. Kyok, sound.
정답은 B, 칼이에요. In English, the answer is B, 카. It means knife, and the first sound has a clear puff.
One more mini check for your ears. If the start is tight with almost no air, you are hearing 깰, not 칼.
정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 모음은 같고 첫 소리만 달라요. In English, the vowel is the same. Only the first consonant changes.
둘째, 기억은 가볍고 키는 바람이 새요. In English, plain 기억 is light and aspirated 키은 releases strong air.
셋째, 쌍기역은 크게 말하는 소리가 아니라 단단하게 시작하는 소리예요. In English, tense, 쌍기역 is firm, not simply loud.
마지막으로 갈, 칼, 깔을 항상 한 세트로 연습하세요. In English, train the contrast as a set, not as separate words.
My keeper sentence is just the sound ladder. Kal, kal, gal.
오늘은 이 세 소리만 기억하세요. 갈, 칼, 깔. Next time we'll climb to more first sound contrasts.
Korean ladder였습니다. 천천히 듣고 짧게 따라하고 정확하게 올라가세요.